Hi, I'm Colin, and today hopefully I'm going to show you how to fit a pair of SKS Raceblades to a Boardman bike. Had a look on the internet and it seems that there is little or nothing that shows you how it's done, so what could possibly go wrong? Okay then, here we go. Number of things that we need to do straight away. That's a couple of trays. We also need one or two digestive biscuits, and hopefully there won't be too many microlights flying overhead as I live near an airfield. So, scissors, let's just open this up. There we go, a couple more clips. There we go, now we'll put the mat on the tray. Remove both guards, he says. There we go. And throw away the paper. Now, what I have established is that the instructions that they supply are next to useless. So, there's all the parts. Dispense with that. Another quick snip. And there we go. Now within here we have a surface protection kit which presumably is to stop chafing. And the instructions. Now, just as they say, the instructions don't look all that good, so I'm tempted just to burn them. Maybe I shouldn't. Okay, I'm back again. Now this part hopefully will do before the rain comes on. Clouds are looking a little bit dark overhead. Anyway, I mentioned before that there were biscuits. They were really just to put out to the blackbirds, who can be quite demanding, but if they don't give me too much bother then the biscuits will be for me. So back to the tray. I've had a look at the contents. There's really not a lot in there. We've got a number of rubber straps, we've got cable ties. These are just clear plastic protectors for these things, which I suppose will stop a bit of chafing. There's two of these, they just fit on the end of the mudguard to be spray deflectors. And of course the little plugs that go in to lock them in place. So nothing terribly difficult. And of course these are the instructions. I had a look at them and they're really not that great. So I think what I will do is just deal with them just now. He says, there we go. That takes care of the instructions. Okay then, now, excuse me, the mudguards, fairly simple. They just have stays that slide on the guard itself, which allows for adjustment. And of course, the little rubber end, which you just quickly place on, line up the hole, in with the plug, push in the pin to locate it, and that's it. So, just fit the mudguard loosely over, get an idea where the protectors are to go. So I'll just put my thumb here to give me a guide, and I know it's going to be around this chipped area. So Just place that on, like so. One on the other side. He says. There we go. These are already a bit chipped, but it seems to be an issue with Boardman. So we just place that on like that, and because I've burnt the instructions, I'm not sure what I need to do, but let's just see. Hook that over, stretch that over, that would appear to be it, and again hook on the first one, stretch it over to tension it onto the next, and quickly to the other side. A little bit of tension. Now, the thing I'm noticing is that they're sufficiently long that even if you do cut them, it'll give you a spare guard. So that just leaves a little bit of adjustment, which you can do by twisting or sliding the guard to suit. And there you have it. A quick release mudguard. Fitted in minutes and without instructions. Hi, I'm back again. Now, it was just to say, when it comes to the front mudguard, you might have slight problems with the fit, and for me it was nothing more than bending the brackets to suit, so it sits reasonably over the wheel. So same as the rear wheel, the vinyl protectors that you put on, I had grubby gloves, so what it did was transfer to the protectors, which wasn't so great, but hey, it's still going to protect the chafing. But in addition, just to give you an additional bit of clearance, that's the standard plastic bit that ties on, but they provide a little adapter for these aerofoil forks, and all it does is just slide over it, and I found that was useful too in providing a better grip for connecting the strap. So same idea as before, it just hooks over, wraps around the fork and pull it tight to fit, and that's it. Can rain all it likes now. Here we are, front mudguard fitted, and I'm rather glad that I didn't show you the process involved to do so. Fair to say it involved a fair bit of bending of the rods, and even with that I found it difficult to get it to fit without shredding against the tyre. However, it's a smart looking mudguard, it's not too obtrusive. Would I buy them again? Probably not. I think I'd probably go for the permanent mudguard and just remove it if and when I wanted to. But I got these as a bargain. They were only £19. Reason being, I think they were slightly spattered with paint, so instead of being the normal £38–39, it was a good saving. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the little video, and I hope it makes sense if you are thinking of fitting similar mudguards. And the digestives, the birds didn't need them all, so here we go. Thank you, bye.